Hey guys, this is the Gemini manual glider recliner chair. I want to show you how to fix the wobbly handle. I know you may experience this, so this is an easy way to fix it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the handle off. And then I'm going to come in here, and then there's the mechanism, and then there's the rod that connects to the mechanism, and then there's this extension. You notice how there's two bolts down here, but on the extension that comes on the outside of the arm panel, they're only using one bolt right here. So we're going to go ahead and slide this back. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove these two bolts. So I'm going to pull this out real quick just so you can see. There's two bolt holes that are actually in the extension, but right now they were only using one. So we're going to go ahead and now we're going to slide it all the way down so we're going to utilize both holes. And you'll see in the rod too, there's two holes ready to be used. So I'm going to slide this in. I'm going to do it about right there. I'm going to go ahead and just tighten these bolts. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the handle back on. There you go.